Well, we just went down one rocky, dusty, dirt gravel road for about 7 or 8 miles to get out here off the main highway. Pretty cool. Not sure yet whether it's worth it, but we're gonna look around. This is the, what is it? Oh, this is the Castle Dome Mine Museum. Okay, we're taking off south on 95. We're heading towards Castle Dome Museum, which is a mining museum. There's a ghost town there. It's about an hour away, and I think the last 7 miles is a gravel road, so it ought to be interesting. So here we go. Well, as you can tell, we're on a dusty, dirty gravel road being passed by Jeeps. Must have been 8 or 10 of them. Here comes another one. Don't know if this is the last one or not because all the dust you can't see down the road. But we're 3.1 miles away.
That's the last one.
That's the last one? That's the guy bringing up the rear, huh?
Yep.
Well, now we're 3.1 miles away from Castle Dome Mining Museum. It better be worth it. It better be worth the road. Oh, it's unreal. Well, we just went down one rocky, dusty, dirt gravel road for about 7 or 8 miles to get out here off the main highway. Pretty cool. Not sure yet whether it's worth it, but we're going to look around. This is the, what is it? Oh, this is the Castle Dome Mine Museum. So that's what it is. That's where we are, and that's what we're going to see today. It's a big cactus. These cactus here are it's what they call the jumping cactus. You don't get nowhere near that. That stuff will jump off and get you. This is an old ghost town. You hear that? Something going off in the range. Just heard an explosion. Just heard a boom. So there's a range around here. So far, pretty slick.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm good, thank you.
Okay, this is the first time. We just paid to get in here. It's like $15 a piece. Not bad. I guess the proving grounds is pretty close by. That's what the boom is, if you hear that once in a while. They're the Army's firing off some of their big guns today or something. This is an old ghost town in mine. Like to have that car. Oh well. Can't have everything. That's a big crane there. Still not sure it was worth the dirt road. Oh gosh, it was bumpy. It was funny. And she said, oh, that road's maintained. Oh, yeah. Okay. Alright, roll it back. And there's some more of that jumping cactus. Stay away from that stuff. Alright. Junk. Just love old ghost towns. They're cool. What'd you find, Shirley? The schoolhouse. This is the schoolhouse? Is this what you call a one-room schoolhouse? That's pretty slick.
I had this like that when I was in school.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, you're older than you look. Oh. That felt real good. There's the school bell. I guess they're fixing up some of this stuff. And some of it's just kind of here. Oh, there's a... That must be what they're shooting off today. Look at the size of that shell, Shirley. All right. This is a bar. Let's go have a drink. In the smaller chunks so they can melt them down and stuff. See?
I see.
And there's a boiler over there. Oh. Thought that was a dead guy laying there. I thought that was a dead guy laying there. That is. Look at this belt. A big old belt drives it. Oh, and there's a hopper, and they pour it in there and smack, smack, smack. Huh. Must be an impromptu bar right there. Oh, look at that stove. We just ran into some people from Southern Illinois and was taking their picture, and they were taking ours, so it's a small world, you never know. All right, look at that cactus.
Oh, that's a big cactus. Yeah, that cactus area.
Go see if your picture's on the wall in there, Shirley.
You can go in the jail and be in.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, he wants to put me behind bars.
Yeah. So I said, see if your picture's in there on the wall.
Wow. No, there's somebody laying in here though. Oh, wow.
Get in there. Just better hope it don't lock when I close it.
Let me out!
I finally got her where I want her.
Behind bars.
Yep.
Come here.
See, wanted dead or alive. Shirley, $2,000. You're not worth much.
Sorry about that.
Oh well. Where's the bar? Where's the barkeep?
I don't know. I'd volunteer if I knew where everything was.
Yeah. Huh? You don't need them? Yep. Church. Dome Castle City, or Castle Dome City, I guess it is. Lottie's Dress Shop.
Okay, try on a hat. See what makes you look the prettiest.
Hmm?
Just try on a hat to see what makes you look the prettiest.
Go ahead.
Here you go.
Oh, it's surely pretty. Let's see.
No, that's not you.
Is this me? Shirley says no.
No.
Okay. I guess I'll take it off.
Ooh, that was pretty.
Well, let's see you put it on. You look like you're getting ready to go to church.
Yeah.
Look at this. The
Blacksmith shop.
blacksmith shop. There's a lot of the old tools and stuff still here. The bellows. It's kind of eat up. But, huh. Well, that's a,
What heck of a press.
it's a, yeah, an old press or forge or something. That's a machine shop. Yeah, old lathe. It's an old metal lathe. And over here's probably a wood lathe. Get in here and get a withdrawal, see if we can get our money back. That's pretty cool. Do you see this barrel cactus out here? I think that's what it is.
That's pretty.
Isn't it? All the gears and this is a glory hole that they took 200,000 ounces of silver out of here, and they had it smelted in San Francisco. So this is where all the good stuff was. Okay, guys, here we are at Castle Dome Mining Museum and Ghost Town in southern Arizona on the way to Yuma. It was it was an interesting ride. You come up a dirt road for about 8 miles, dirt, gravel, and everything else, but pretty cool place. Keep hearing booms in the background, and most of that is because we're right in the middle of the proving ground. So the proving ground is all around us. You can't fly drones here or anything, but pretty slick. It was kind of neat.